screening, and then that's because I haven't interacted with the wound itself. So I have to first screen within the outer part, and then that's when I will just tackle the wound after. That's the reason why you're seeing I'm dodging it. So at least I want first cleanse within the outer part, then from there we shall just go on to the main part. This is just a septic wound. A septic wound, a wound which is having, which is infected. Yes.
You're all fearing. Don't fear. Please, don't fear. First, relax. You're fearing. Okay.
Okay.
You are doing watching us. Or then watching us for no reason.
Abandi bami batuka amazi ndeka amazi
Go take a coach.
ndika kwa juli mpero kusaidia nikatira ya dance.
Sani agana take a cameras.
Tumaliriza.
It's okay.
Chodi. Labayo, chodi. Sigenda kukonamu. Sigenda kukonamu.
What are you going to do to the bandage?
God bless me.
What are you going to do to the bandage?
Sindikira your sister.
She comes with the bandage.
I think you read his story when I put it on Twitter. He was a very, very prominent artist around 8 years back, but life drastically changed. Jemuje wabadde wabi nnyo, wadde asula mutundu baali ku kkubo. Very, very, very horrible state he has been in. But we are happy that we are on a course to change his life. And I'm happy that Icon Medical Center is part of it also. Thank you so much for helping him out. Chigere chichao, doctor. I'll bring it to Dr. Alton here at Icon and we'll see what to do, yes.
I'm happy to see you. Though not good like the state currently. Yeah, actually used for these guys' music. And they posted about it, of course, in my friend, and then I was like, at least you have to give a hand. So, like, it has been like this for how long?
It has been like this for a year and 2 months.
A year and 2 months, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I went to Morocco. Last year, bamugamba abantu bakukanisa twagira ngenza go kubiri bamugamba twagenda okwetegereza nga kikoze kyamu naye ate kyamu yafuluma naye nga because of the wound now yakikola sitampa zange muno mwalimu ekituli kiziba ne kati kigenda kikaana kikaza kukalira ddala
so bali bagamba kibwe omulabu
dokita yavayo nagamba tulina kansa naye tuuze kyamu omanyi kyebaita ettalo era kadde nagamba ofuna antibiotics swallowing then the painkiller okwanza mbadde sirina potential efuna ne wano waliwo bali akazi obukazi badde nkinyigako nga ndudde nga
oli nakyo.
it has been a year and 2 months. Yeah.
Doesn't look good at all.
Are there any investigations they did
On this?
Specifically?
Nenfuna bino bya habo bibadde binyambako. Ne doctor yangamba oli yangamba if you get money you come and give you doses of what? A dose of antibiotics, painkillers. Then kale akantu wa cleaning kako ne pamba nga so okuchozaako
Gabwa byekolera.
Lulinzi yabyekolera soka ne bali n'oli omukyala gwolabye nga yabyekola.
Because the idea was supposed to be in hospital. So byekolera. Kitaga development is serious. Also achieve wakati 1 year with this it will turn into other things now.
Kati lulina amagumba nagala.
But this by now channel denga chili okay. But we shall see how to handle it.
Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to pass through some investigations. Meanwhile, then we can involve in with our surgical team, get involved, and we can see how we can fit it. Yes, and we shall accept if it needs today, like if it needs admission or whatever. Don't worry about it. We shall have to take care of it all.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
I'm happy to see all of you.
Yeah, I'm also happy. Dr. Alton, we are forever indebted. Thank you so much. Icon Medical Center, I want to thank you so much. It's not easy to find people who take off their schedule to help. This brother, what he needs right now is help from everyone, because he gave us good music. He's still willing to give us good music. Yes, because the voice is still there. We just need to get him in the right and okay. Maybe someday he will always testify that Icon helped me, Bruno helped me. Yes, yes.
How old are you?
One of the 86
Let me calculate. Where were 34 minutes?
196.
86.
You have a contact telephone number?
I have a contact.
But he hasn't yet activated it, so you can get him through
Okay.
0701 18 49 61.
Where is your residence? Address?
Currently, I'm going to be in Nambo.
Number 1.
You had eaten?
Today? Yeah, in the morning.
My name is Tumhaise Grace,
Okay.
and I'm a lab technician.
Where?
Icon Medical Center, Bulenga.
So what are you going to do?
Yeah, I'm going to work on this gentleman, and according to the doctor's prescriptions, I'm going to do a film comment, RCT, urinalysis, and RBS.
What does it mean?
Like all these tests?
Yeah.
Yeah. RCT, it means HIV testing. Urinalysis means checking out microscopically, macroscopically the urine of a patient. Urine, omusulo. Yes, then RBS, we are looking for, we are testing blood sugars. And RBS simply means you've already taken up something, like you've already eaten. Have you already eaten?
I ate in the morning.
Yes, yes. So it's random blood sugar.
How will you get that one?
How will I get?
The one you've eaten.
You've already eaten, right? Yeah. So I'm going to take up that blood sugar, the amount.
So Grace, is it a must that before you work on somebody you're supposed to first test you, or?
Before I work on somebody? Yes, I'm a laboratory technician. So that simply means I'm checking out on what the doctor has written out down, yeah. So I'm going to check out on what the doctor has put down. Yes. Make a fist like this.
Hey.
You're all fearing. Don't fear. Please, don't fear. First, relax. You're fearing.
Okay. Kayingide. Oh. Okay. Oh.
Ogwa sukali tugujja wano kagalo. Wano kagalo.
Dr. Newton Alan. So,
Which hospital?
Icon Medical Center.
Okay.
So, according to this wound, majorly what we're going to do is managing the wound as it is. Because we have done more investigations and probably there is no underlying major effect. So we shall just have to manage the wound as it is. So within it, we shall have to cleanse it and we shall have to disinfect it, and then probably we shall have to give some medications that will bring to proper management and easy healing.
Have you tested him?
Yes, we did very many tests. He's very okay, just apart from only dealing with the wound, there is no any other lining cause or any effect within.
Ndikadda. Ali kakubyamu ekitumi.
Giramu ddala.
Giramu ddala. You can also remove it, it's okay. Remove the stocking.
Ate enfufu eyingidde mu socks mbasa.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We can just put it just there aside. Okay. So she's bringing what use, eh? Okay.
Niba dengo chinazi. Odengo chinazi afa nakuzina.
Abali banywa tukako amazzi nti ndeka amazzi biddayo.
Ngoteka kochi.
Nga ndikakwali bipero kusaini katira ya dance.
Sani agana teka kamazi.
Tugenda kuteekako kakanira.
Nenga gye bakubye wali tofudde. Nga bakujjako omusaayi.
Anti banzijjako omusaayi.
Anti eri kyegenda okuyamba yeletera okukaza this wound mangu. Ani agikugaana?
Katolaba bino ebikinansi by'ettalo mba at least mira antibiotics oba makerenda. Painkillers zirina buzibu, amoxicillin zirina buzibu.
But they are very weak.
I think
compared to it, they are very weak.
Namira gundi, namira zile ezasooka zibadde zinjira at least up to now. Kuba lino ettalo limalako n'emyaka 3.
Anti olaba?
Ninzira nelyambulira n'okwanguwa. Osaba empiso tuzireke.
For us, after dressing you yourself, ojja kuba ng'okyerabira, eh? Right now, he's speaking lw'okuba nti wakyaliwo that wound, that dead tissues eziriwo bweziti, naye after cleansing ojja kuba nga kwennyini ojja kuba ng'okyerabira.
Ensonga lwaki oddewo n'okuwonda
ye yennyini.
Empiso tuzireke.
We shall have to harmonize. Tujja kwogeramu.
Edda bampe ziri erikazanga yakumira bumizi.
Screening, and then that's because I haven't interacted with the wound itself, so I have to first screen within the outer part, and then that's when I will just tackle the wound after. That's the reason why you're seeing I'm dodging it, eh? So at least I want first cleanse within the outer part, then from there we shall just go on to the main part. This is just a septic wound. A septic wound, a wound which is having, which is infected. Eh? Yes.
Mm.
I'm going to remove it. Just I wanted to first cleanse the outer part, eh? Such that it can be clean. Eh? Chashuka ne kala. Kataba ni amukuwa.
Eddagala banyuwa then kubanga ettalo abu
wakonfirming otya mutalo
bankebere mulabo ku Cancer Institute
no like nebagamba mutalo
ne baŋŋamba sirina kansa ne baŋŋamba tebalaba kintu kirala kyonna kyonna omusawo n'ambuuza kibala kitambula kitya ne bagamba kibadde kikyusa omugulu kyava eno nkiddewo ekikubya amabonga gagenda gawona magagadiya era kyalabika kyokka
awo obuzibu buliwo mwe kyemumanyi kyawukanamuku naife gyetukolaki tumanyi ate era bino binaku tubadde nga tubifuna tukolaki tubikolako so olina information gy'olina ntuufu. Okay. Naye naffe tulina gye tulina ate yaffe ngeri researched yekakasibwa. Okay. Ngeri esinga okuba ennungi. Ngeri esinga okuba ennungi yeeriwa. Tugenda kinaaza bulungi, tuggyewo ebitabo okuvaawo, kibeere ekiwundu nga kinyirira. Okay. Bwe kiba nga kinyirira, ajja kubako eddagala lyeetaaga okufuna. Okay. Nze nandyagadde oba ofuufiire wano nti bakubye empiso no kyentegeeza tulabeko because nze mbakubye empiso ne batakola ki. Omusango gubeere ku nze nti
musawo yakubye omuntu empiso n'afa.
Tujja sooka tumusigazeeko we manage properly. Twagala tumugambe nti deeka nga tumaze omumanya nti tagenda kufuna buzibu bulala bwonna. Nga yonna agenda tulina omulala gwe tulina wano. Same problem. Amazeewo kati weeks meka. But his was very her problem was very big okusinga ekyono. Akono katono nnyo kyoli kyali kibi nnyo. Era naye yasooka kuwalira nze yuki nze saagala bino paka wayakkiriza. And now she's doing very fine. No, kyengamba nze sirina buzibu ku decision yo. Nyingi gwe nsonga kijogera bino njagala if possible maaso okukonvinsinga okkirize. Nkuwe advantage and disadvantages. Okay. So that is all fitting muchi.
No six sir. Just ngenda kuzijjako obugundu bwolaba kwa obo ebwafa tosobola nabuulira nga bujjako
webake anu webake ojja kiraba nga kiwadde
tumaliriza
labayo kiwadde sigenda kukonamu
oligunda ndeetera bandage. Oligunda ndeetera bandage. She comes with the bandage.
Nyumyako.
Apple. Nidanga apple.
Hillary. That was my song, by the way. The way you see, I know a lot of dead tissues, and they have to be cleared off. But we shall not do it at once. So we shall be cleansing. Meanwhile, you're on medication. We cleanse. You're on medication. So like you can leave him here, and then we shall be updating. Meanwhile, like ngamukeberako, such that like bogezako kubi cleansing byonna lumundo ozolabye pain jabaddemu. Like obera nga abera discomfort naye bobera ojja kumpola mpola okumekereza nga you have made it ate still nga n'omuntu stabilizing nze. Exactly. You just remove from me. I'm in gloves.
Okay? What do you do?
Thank you.
You don't want to be.
Kumira empeke onkuba episozo oyagala era linalwako taifa naye episozo nazo namusanga kuba wano mwenzira kuba wano